Are you tired of hearing that population growth is the main culprit behind skyrocketing property prices? Or are you struggling with the rise in property prices? Learn what's really influencing the market and how it impacts you. Hi, it's Rupali and I've got the latest property market news for Australia ending 7 June. Stick around for some eye-opening facts and figures. New research reveals that labor shortages, higher interest rates, and increased investor selling are more significant factors than population growth in driving the property prices. For example, Sydney, with significant capital gains, ranks only 43rd in population growth. Mandurah in WA saw a 91% population increase, but no change in house prices, debunking the myth that more people equal higher property prices. According to Domain Sustainability in Property Report, properties with eco-friendly features sell 4% faster and attract 17% more buyer interest. Green homes sell for 14% more on average. In regional Australia, the premium is even higher, with green homes fetching 20% more. Melbourne buyers pay the highest premium at 28% for sustainable houses, highlighting the growing demand for environmentally efficient properties. CoreLogic reports that rents in 75% of Australia's largest regional towns are at record highs. Batemans Bay in New South Wales saw a 6% rent increase within 3 months, while Bunbury in WA and Sunshine Coast in Queensland also experienced significant rises. CoreLogic economist Caitlin Easy notes that regional rents are growing unusually fast, almost 8% higher than last year. Builders and developers are halting projects due to massive cost escalation and approval delays. A.V. Jennings abandoned a major housing project near Caboolture in Brisbane, citing financial infeasibility. High infrastructure changes and new construction codes have made large-scale projects too costly, leading to a shortage of new dwellings. So there you have it, the real factors driving property prices, the value of green homes, rising regional rents, and why are the builders pausing projects? If you found this update on Aussie property market helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more updates, and ring the bell for instant notifications. Don't miss our upcoming free workshop on properties in SMSF. Register now using the link below. Thank you for watching this and see you next time. Cheers.